Hi students. So till now we have discussed in the previous session about areas related to circles. In that the combination of areas of plane figures, areas of the combination of plane figures. So continuation of that exercise 12.3, we have question number 8 in figure. So in this figure depicts a racing track whose left and right, so left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallels, distance between the two inner parallel lines segments is 60 centimeters. So from here to here this distance is given, this distance is 60 meters, this is 60 meters, and they are each of 106 meters long. So here it is 106 meters long, 106 meters long, this one, and here the distance is given as, this is 60 meters, 60 meters. Next, now if the track is 10 meters wide, from here to here, this is the track wide, here track wide, so this is 10 meters and here also 10 meters. So track wide is 10 meters, so 10 meters, and here also 10 meters, and outside we have 106 meters, they are 106 meters. Now we observe it, this length, what we have to find out, the distance around the track along its inner edge is with blue color, outer edge is with red color. And the second question is area of the track, this area of the track, this is which is shaded portion, that you have to find out. So to find inner distance along with the inner edge, you see inner side 106 meters is this one and 106 meters is this one, are you following? And this is not included in that, this is not included as the circular end is covered like this, so which is nothing but circumference of semicircle. We have to find out circumference of semicircle plus circumference of semicircle, and this 106 plus 106 will give you, that is inner edge. Let us denote these are all with different names. What I am doing, for the up A, and here this is the point A, I am writing here point B, and here point C, and this is the point D. Next, here the point is E, here E, and this is F, G, H, this is H. Now A, B, C, D is one rectangle, E, F, G, H is another rectangle. Then here we will write arcs, semicircular arcs, BE is an arc and HC is an arc, HC is an arc. Then similarly this one, FE, AF is one semicircle and DG is another semicircle. So by using that names, we are going to find out the total distance around the inner edge as well as the area of the track, So inner edge, he given that distance between, so from the figure, observe it, in along with inner edge. So for semicircle, the 60 centimeter with the blue color which is semicircle, 60 meters will become as the diameter of semicircle, diameter of the semicircle. So length along the inner edge, length along the inner edge is equals to what you have to find out, the BC length, BC plus length of BC plus length of HE plus this BE arc length we are finding, these are the line segment, plus this is BE arc which is nothing but semicircle, and CH plus CH. Now we know what is BE, that is a semicircle. BE here, BE and I am writing in the bracket BE and CH are semicircles. They are semicircles. They are semicircles. Now, to find out this distance BC, first we will find out semicircles. So, semicircle, the radius is, for this radius is 30. So, radius of semi, each, because they both are equal, each semicircle is equals to, radius is r is equals to 30 centimeter, as this is the diameter. Total is 60 from here to here, right? So r will be 30 meters. 30 meters. Now, first we will find out circumference, this length arc, circumference of semicircle. What is circumference of semicircle? What is circumference of semicircle? Half of the circle, circumference of circle. Half of 2 pi r, which is nothing but pi r. Pi r. Circumference of two semicircular regions. Observe it. Circumference of two semicircles. What are those? One is BE plus and CH, which is equals to, directly we are doing, which is equals to here. So one semicircle is pi r, and two semicircles means 2 pi r, 2 into pi r. This is 2 into pi r, which is equals to 2 into pi r. Now look at this. So 2 into pi r, 2 into, use the pi value, did he mention in the question anything? You have to use 3.14 or anything? Nothing. So you can use as 22/7, which is 2 into 22/7 into radius is 30. So which is equals to 2 into 22, 44, 44 into 30. 44 into 30, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 1320/7 meters. This is the length of the circle, that is nothing but circumference of this semicircle, circumference of this semicircle. Now length along with the inner edge, that means BC plus EF. So here BC is 106, BC plus BC is equals to 106, which I can mention over here. Here I will write BC is equals to, in this step only we will write, whereas BC is equals to, CH is an arc, okay, BC is equals to 106 meters, and HE also, HE is equals to 106 meters. So we are adding this, that is 106 plus 106 plus 1320/7, which is equals to 106 plus 106, which is 212. So 212 plus 1320/7. 212 plus 1320/7. Now we have to find out the LCM of those two. 212 plus 1320/7. This is nothing but meters. Now if you take LCM is 7. One table you get 7. One table you get 7 times. So 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8. 7 2s are 14 plus 7 table you get 7 one time, that is a quotient. So 1320, which is equals to, here I am writing, which is equals to, this is rough work which I did here. Now 1484 plus 1320, 1484, observe it, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 7 2s are 14, 4 8 plus 2 10, 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8, this is 2800, which is equals to 2804/7 meters. Therefore length along length along the inner edge, length along the inner edge is equals to 2804 by 7 meters. This is length along with the inner edge. 106 meters and 106 meters, they are along the inner edge, means this is circumference of the semicircle, circumference of the semicircle. Is it clear? So this is the total length along the inner edge. Now we see area of the track. Area of the track. Area of the track means area of the triangle ABCD plus area of the triangle EFGH plus area of the circular. See this part, it is a ring, half ring. Actually area of the ring is complete circle. So area of the semicircular ring means area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. And area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle all together will give you area of the track. All together will give you area of the track. So the second question we are doing area of the track. Area of the track is equals to area of ABCD plus area of EFGH plus area of two semicircular rings. Two semicircular rings. Semicircular region. We can write semicircular region. Semicircular region. So all together will give you area of the track, which is equals to. Now, as we know area of length and breadth of ABCD and EFGH, this is the breadth and this is the length. This is the breadth, this is the length. Okay. Now, what is the diameter of outer one? So, diameter of outer circle. Diameter. Okay. When it comes to the topic of that one, we'll continue that part. Now, area of ABCD, which is equals to L into B. Now you see ABCD length is 106, breadth is 10. So 106 meters into 10 is equals to 1060 meter square. This is area of ABCD. Now similarly area of EFGH, that is also same, 106 and breadth is 10 meters. So area of EFGH is equals to again L into B, 106 into 10, which is equals to 10 will be added besides that 1060 meter square. So area of ABCD we got, area of EFGH also we got. Now area of circular region, half semicircular region if you want, diameter of outer semicircle, which is equals to, actually inner semicircle up to here 60 plus 10 plus 10, total 60 plus 10 plus 10, which is equals to 80 meters. 80 meters. So even this side also it is 80 meters. Now radius of outer circle. Radius of outer semicircle. Radius of outer semicircle we denote with capital R, which is equals to 80 by 2 will give you 40 meters. Radius of inner semicircle, which is small r is equals to 60 is the diameter, so 30 meters. 60 divided by 2 is 30 meters. Now we are going to calculate area of the circular, semicircular regions. Like that, how many we have? 2 we have. So area of the semicircular region which is shaded part. Not only semicircle part, semicircular region, that is nothing but which is in the shape of a path, which is shape of, it is already it is a track. Okay. So area of semicircular region. Semicircular region is equals to area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle, area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. What is outer semicircle? We are using bigger and we are using smaller for the inner. Which is semicircle means actually area of the circle, outer area of the semicircle. Area of the circle is what? Pi r square. And semicircle means half. Look at this. Area of semicircular region. One semicircle we are talking, which is pi half of pi capital R square minus half of pi small r square. This is only for one. Take out common. So half pi, if you take out common, then r square minus r square. This is area of one semicircular region. Area of one semicircular region. Do you understand? Area of one semicircular region is area of outer semicircle minus area of inner semicircle. This portion, you see, this portion, okay, will give you the area of the shaded portion. Area of the shaded portion, this part and this. So 2 means you have to multiply this with 2. So copy up to here, then we continue the leftover part over this side. Do you understand? Now the continuation of that, area of two semicircular regions. Area of two semicircular regions which is equals to area of two semicircular regions is equals to 2 into what is one semicircular region? Half pi into capital R square minus small r square. Observe it, 2 gets cancelled here. So we have only 22 by 7 into capital R, which is nothing but radius of the outer one we took 40 square minus inner one 30 square. Now you see 22 by 7 into 40, a square minus b square, which could be expressed as in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So 40 plus 30 into 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. Now here 22 by 7 into 40 plus 30 is 70 into 40 minus 30 is 10 meter square. 7 table, 7 tens are, observe it, 7 table, 7 tens are 70, 7 ones are and 7 0. So 22 into 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 22, which is equals to 2200 meter square. So area of two semicircular ends, is equals to two semicircular regions is equals to 2200 meter square. 2200 meter square. This we got area of this circle plus area of the semicircular region. Semicircle plus area of semicircle regions we got. Now the total area of the track is nothing but area of ABCD plus area of EFGH plus area of this semicircular end plus area of the semicircular ends together we got 2200. So total area of the track, total area of the track, total area of the track is equals to area of ABCD we got 1060 meter square plus 1060 meter square. This is area of ABCD plus area of EFGH plus area of semicircular ends which are in the region, that is 2200. So 2200 meter square. So if you add these are all, here already I just wrote because we erased the answers from the previous one. So here we have, now we will add these two, 1060 plus 1060 plus 2200, all together we give you 6 plus 6 12, this is 3 and 2 plus 1 3, 4320 meter square. So total area of the track, therefore area of the track is equals to 4320 meter square. I hope you understood. So area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle, this semicircular region plus area of this semicircular region. Clear? Now we are seeing question number 10. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC. So ABC is an equilateral triangle, is 17,320.5 centimeters square. With each vertex of the triangle, so vertex A, B, C, these are the three vertices. Each vertex of a triangle as a center, a circle is drawn with the radius is equal to half of the side of equilateral triangle of the triangle. You can observe in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region and you have to use pi value as 3.14 and root 3 value as 1.73205. So area of equilateral triangle is given and we have to find out area of the shaded region. Can anyone guess? Yeah, yes, you are right. So area of equilateral triangle minus area of these three sectors. You are good. Very good answer. Area of three sectors. What is angle at the sector? 60 degrees. Why? It is an equilateral triangle. So how can you find out area of the sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Do we know the radius? No. We have to find out. How can we find out? Observe that area is given and triangle is equilateral triangle. Yes. So very good. Area of equilateral triangle is 17,320.5, which is area of this full triangle. So we know area of the triangle formula. By using that we need to get, now we have to find out the side of the square. We have to find out the side of the square. Listen carefully. Solution. So area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equals to 17,320.5 centimeters square, that is given in the question. Okay. Now we know the formula, that is root 3 by 4 a square is equals to 17,320.5 centimeters square. You see what is A? A is nothing but side of the equilateral triangle. Now you see what is root 3 value he gave in the question? 1.1.73205 by 4 a square is equals to 17,320.5. Now you see both the sides we have 1.73205 and here 17,320.5. First you convert the decimal for easy calculation. Convert the decimal into fraction. So in the denominator we can add how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can remove the decimal point and 173205, which is nothing but 1,73,205 by, besides 4, how many zeros you are going to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a square is equals to, this side also same way, 1,73,205. After decimal point we have 1, so we are writing as 10. Now transpose this value that side. Transpose this value that side. Then a square is equals to 1,73,205 by 10 into this number. When you transpose this side, you get numerator reciprocal. So here you have 4 lakhs 400 and 00 by again 1,73,205. Yes, it is very easy calculation. Very easy calculation. Am I right? Yes. So this is one time and one time gets cancelled. 10 you cancel. What is left over? A square is equals to 40,000, where A is equals to root of 40,000. Root 40,000 is equals to where A is equals to 200. Units are given as centimeter, but what is A? What is A? That is side of the equilateral triangle. A is nothing but side of equilateral triangle. Now you observe it here. So side of equilateral triangle, is A is equals to, we assumed as that formula is A. So side is A is equals to 200 centimeters. Now you see, each circle is drawn as the radius of half of the side. Radius of each circle, is equals to half of A, which is half of A, half of the side of equilateral triangle. The question you see, each center with each vertex of the triangle as a center, a circle is drawn. Each vertex as a center, a circle is drawn with radius is equal to half of the length of the side. So length of the side we got 200. So radius of each circle is half of A, where A is equilateral triangle side. So which is nothing but 1 by 2 into 200, which is equals to, if you cancel this, 2 ones are 200. So radius is 100 centimeters. Now it is an equilateral triangle. Now, so in triangle ABC, all three sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. Therefore, we get angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to 60 degrees. As we know, 60 degrees at each corner. Now, area of one sector we have to find out. What is this? Is a sector. Area of each sector is area of sector. What is area of sector formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Like that, how many sectors we have? Three sectors at vertex A1 with vertex B1 and with vertex C1. So area of three sectors is equals to 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square, as the radius is same for all circles. So which is equals to 3 into theta by 360, 60 by 360 into pi value we said to use 3.14. So 3.14 we are writing as 3.14 into radius 100 centimeter. As the side we got 200, so radius is half of that 100. R square 100 into 100, which is equals to, so here 60 ones are 66 are over, observe it, 60 ones are 66 are, 3 ones are 3 twos are over. Now I just will write one more step over here. 3.14 I am writing as, here 1 by 2 is left, 1 by 2 into, observe it, 1 by 2 into 3.14 I am writing as 314 by 100, so that it is easy for us to calculate, into 100 into 100, which will give you, now you see 100 100 cancel. Now 2 table, this one 2 table, if you cancel here 2 ones are 2, 3 2 ones are, this one I am cancelling, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fives are 10, 2 sevens are, so 157. 157 into 100, 15,700 centimeter square. This is area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors is equals to 15,700 centimeter square. But what he is asking, is he asking area of 3 sectors? No, he is asking area of the shaded portion. How to obtain? Area of the shaded portion is equals to area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. So copy this one. I just will erase this part. Now you see here, area of shaded region is equals to area of shaded region is equals to area of triangle ABC minus area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors. What is area of triangle? We know it is given in the question. 17,320.5 minus, what is this area of 3 sectors together? 15,700 centimeter square. So if you subtract this 17,320.5 from that, you are subtracting rough work here. 15,700 if you subtract, so 0.05, 0.02, 13 minus 7, 6, 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5, 1. So which is equals to 1720.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of shaded region is equals to 1720.5 centimeter square. I hope you understood. Is it clear, students? Right. Sorry, here 13 minus 7 is how much? 13 minus 7 is 6 and here 13 minus 7 is 6. So 1620 point, very sorry. So 13 minus 7 is 6. Clear? So when we recheck, when we look back whether subtraction, addition, multiplication it is right or wrong, then we will come to know immediately. So I hope you understood what we have discussed now in this today's class. So the last one, area of equilateral triangle, we got 1620.5 centimeter square. So area of equilateral triangle minus area of 3 sectors we subtracted, we got area 1620 centimeter square. So similarly, any figure, whatever the plane figures, whatever the two shapes or 3 shapes involved combination, Then you see that what area to be find and how to get area of the shaded region. Is it clear? Now we have some homework questions from exercise 12.3, 9 question, 11 and 14th question. 9, 11 and 14th questions you have to complete as homework. Leftover we will discuss again in the next session. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.